name is Harinder. I joined Global Design Arena in August 2017 for my AutoCAD course, and I completed my test with 91%, and I got 2 certificates. One is professional level certificate of AutoCAD and the other is certificate of completion. And I'm very thankful to the faculty members of this institute. They are very helpful. They are actually certified professionals of all the softwares, and they are very good in giving all the help before the exam. And actually I'm going abroad for my masters, and so I think this certificate will help me in all the industrial level jobs there, and I thank the institute and all the members.